Hey, what's up guys? Finally, I got a Canon EOS R5. How you doing today? I'm feeling great. I hope you too. Finally, I got the Canon EOS R5. I'm so happy, I'm so glad. Maybe in the beginning you saw that 120 frames per second in 4K, not spectacular, but I just got the camera on Monday. Link below here. There was in my last video why I bought the Canon EOS R5, because now I'm recording on the R, and I didn't get the camera on the release date on the 30th of July. I was a little bit sad, and then there were so many rumors about overheating, which I will not discuss today, but I had no problems at all in this 1, 2, 3 days where I was testing a little bit the R5, and it's an interesting information in my opinion, because there were so many rumors that they are also saying that there is maybe a recall from the Canon EOS R5, which definitely I can guarantee is not true, because I got now on Monday, on the 10th of August, the second shipment from Canon Japan. This camera, I mean, you know, I like Canon, I'm filming with Canon. What I saw in the last 3 days is so awesome, and I want to explain a little bit. And now I'm filming with the Canon EOS R in 4K, 422-bit ProRes, 422-bit, and now I switched the camera so that you can see also maybe a different when I'm filming now with the 4K HQ or 4K Fine is what Canon EOS R5 says in the menu, with the Atomos Ninja 5 recorder, even also in 10-bit 4.22. So check it out. I'm here back to the R5, and of course you will see there's a 4K no crop anymore, and I highly appreciate. But you can see now I have to change the light, I have to change my microphone. Excuse me. I'm using the 35mm 1.8, same before on the Canon EOS R. So you see here my headlight is now in the screen. If I turn it off, you see I like this headlight, and you see more this background space. Okay, I have to change it, or maybe I was a green screen behind me, but all over I don't know yet, but I will see it later. Even don't forget the YouTube compression, maybe change it also. I have no idea how it looks, so that's the first time that I'm switching the camera from R to R5. But in the beginning, every scene which you saw in the beginning was handheld, and I was never able to do like this, especially when I'm just walking and filming my shoes or how I'm going in 120 frames per second in 4K, and this image stabilization in camera is really, really awesome. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you want to know more about the Canon EOS R5? I highly appreciate if you write me and ask me, because mostly daily now I make a YouTube video about the Canon EOS R5. So write down below in the comments what are you like to see, what are your questions, and I hope then you enjoy as same as me to learn to work with the Canon EOS R5. Highly appreciate if you subscribe, smash the like button, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm an idiot. I forgot to switch the white balance as promised before. So this is the correct white balance as I had on the Canon EOS R. So now I think maybe it's a better comparing from the R5 to the EOS R. Thanks again. Let me know down below in the comments what you want to know more, what you like to see, and see you tomorrow. Peace.